Hi guys, welcome back to Johnny's Garage. Please subscribe to my channels and thumbs up. Today I'd like to speak with you about one really special car. Fiat 850 Moretti Sportiva, Fiat 850 Moretti Sportiva. The Moretti Sportiva is a special coupe-type car produced by Moretti based on the Fiat 850 from 1967 till 1971. This car was presented in 1967. The Sportiva was Moretti's last car designed for a clientele accustomed to choosing the equipment according to their taste. This method of construction, unthinkable for large-scale production, survived in the 20s years following the Second World War, only to disappear definitely in 1970. So we are just seeing a special method of construction survived from the start of the 20th century. The car. The Sportiva was initially offered in S2 type 2 seats, both in the coupe version and in transformabile version. It is equipped with a large canvas roof. The transformabile is a Spider, Cabriolet, open top. The dashboard. There were numerous variants to allow customers to personalize the car, and in addition to the usual choice of color and fabrics for the interior, they contemplated the possibility of obtaining finishes of equipment of great prestige of time, such as electrically operated windows, metallic or Borrani spoked rims. It was also possible to mount a special engine with displacement increased to 1982 cubic centimeter. Given the aerodynamic profiling, it became necessary to position the spare wheel horizontally in the front compartment, occupying it entirely, and forcing the designers to create a luggage compartment closed by a stretched canvas between the seats and the engine compartment. The lack of rear seats was not appreciated by the buyers, and the following year Moretti presented the S4 type, which provided for the 2+2 arrangement at the time of possible homologation. The basic price for the Sportiva in 1967 was 1,095,000 lire, which could significantly increase according to the desired setup, up to nearly 2 million of lire. By way of comparison, consider that the much more prestigious and modern Fiat 124 had in the same year a price list of 1,035,000 lire. Approximately 300 examples of the Sportiva were produced in the various trim levels. Consider that this car was born from the highest production of Fiat 850. The Fiat 850, that will deserve an entire video separate from this one, was a common car, very large-scale production car for the Italy's buyers in the 60s and in the 70s, with the rear back engine and the rear wheel drives, and this disposition of the mechanical, so such good for high performance, was used to build this special, very special car. But it's very interesting even to underline and highlight the fact that was possible to have in the 60s the personalization of so high level from one, let's call, large-scale production car. So this is really, really special, something that now is totally almost disappear, or at least not possible on a so diffuse models. It was really interesting because the design, if we see, recalls sports car of other brands. We can just see that in the back view there is something similar to what will be the design of the Ferrari 365 GT4 BB. Something similar instead of the shape of the body on the side view. We see that the The line so sweet and so soft moved was just the base of the sports car design for the car that will become in the 70s. So, in my opinion, this car is really, really interesting and really, really important. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and thumbs up.